Have you ever wondered why some businesses reply instantly on social media, never miss a customer, and seem to run 24/7, while others take hours or even days to respond? The secret is not a big team, it's AI automation. In this video, I'll explain what AI automation really is, why businesses of every size need it, and how it can transform the way you work. AI automation means using artificial intelligence to perform tasks that normally require a human. Instead of you replying to every single message, answering fax, or manually collecting leads, AI does it for you instantly. Think of it as hiring a smart assistant who never sleeps, never gets tired, and works 24/7, but at zero extra cost. Today's customers expect instant responses. Studies show that if you don't reply within 5 minutes, the chance of converting a lead drops by 80%. That's huge. But no business owner can reply to everyone instantly. That's where AI automation comes in. With tools like ManyChat, businesses can reply instantly on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or Messenger, keeping customers engaged and happy while you focus on growing your business.
Tired of missing customer messages? I create professional AI chatbot automation with ManyChat that works 24/7 for your business. My service includes automated flows, customer support systems, lead generation, and sales funnels that save you time. Perfect for small businesses, coaches, e-commerce stores, and agencies needing constant customer engagement and support. Get time-saving automation, amazing customer experience, and higher sales with my custom AI chatbot solutions. Ready to automate your business? Order now on Fiverr and get your professional ManyChat AI chatbot solution today.
So what are the benefits? First, time saving. Instead of spending hours replying to repetitive messages like, "What are your prices?" or "What are your hours?" AI handles it for you. Second, more sales. Automation can capture leads, nurture them, and even send offers automatically. Imagine making sales while you sleep. Third, 24/7 support. Your business never closes. Whether it's day or night, customers get replies. Yes. And fourth, lower costs. Instead of hiring multiple staff just to handle DMS or chats, you can let AI manage the bulk of it, while humans only handle complex cases. The result is faster responses, happier customers, and more money saved. Let me give you a few real examples. A restaurant can use AI automation to send their menu instantly when someone messages them, or take reservations without needing a phone call. An online shop can recover abandoned carts by automatically sending a reminder message with a discount code. A coach or freelancer can collect leads directly from Instagram comments and instantly send them information or booking links. This is not the future, it's happening right now, and businesses using automation are already ahead of their competition. The truth is, AI automation is no longer optional. Customers expect instant responses, and businesses that don't keep up will lose sales. The good news is, these tools are affordable, easy to set up, and even offer free plans. The earlier you start, the faster you'll see results, and the bigger advantage you'll have over competitors. So what is AI automation? It's your always-on assistant, your lead generator, your customer service team, all in one. If you're a business owner, you can't afford to ignore it anymore. In my next videos, I'll dive deeper into specific tools like ManyChat and show you exactly how to set it up step by step. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment telling me what kind of business you run. Maybe I'll use it as an example in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.